In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ramp with QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can get the integration set up quickly and confidently. Start on your main dashboard and look to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the Integrations option. Go ahead and click that. This opens the central place where all available connections live. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, don't worry. This is where the Find Integrations option comes in handy. Click Find Integrations to open the searchable catalog. In the search bar that appears, type Ramp. As you type, you should see Ramp appear in the results. Select it to open the integration's dedicated page. Take a moment here to review the overview. This section is important because it explains what the add-in does, what data it can access or sync, and any key features or limitations. It's a quick way to confirm you're connecting the right tool and that it supports the workflows you care about, like syncing transactions, categorizing expenses, or pulling in receipts. Once you've reviewed the overview and you're comfortable moving forward, look again to the top right of the page. You'll see the Integrate button. That's the action you'll use to initiate the connection. If you're working in a full production account with the right permissions, you should be able to click it to proceed. However, if you're in a test or sandbox environment, you might notice that this button is grayed out. That's normal. Test accounts often restrict live integrations to prevent unintended data flow. If the button is disabled, double-check a couple of common points. Make sure you're in the correct company or workspace, confirm that you have admin or integration level permissions, and verify that your plan or environment supports integrations. If any of those are limited, the Integrate option may remain unavailable until they're adjusted. Also, keep in mind that some browsers or extensions can interfere with in-app buttons, so if something looks off, a quick refresh or trying another browser can help. And that's it. To recap, go to the top right and open Integrations, choose Find Integrations, search for Ramp, click into the result, review the overview to understand what the add-in will do, and then use the Integrate button in the top right to proceed. Unless you're in a test account, in which case it will be grayed out. Follow these steps, and you'll be set up to connect Ramp with QuickBooks the right way.